What's up guys, we're back at the Technical University of Darmstadt one last time because today we want to see if our drill driver from Parkside can generate enough force to pull an A380. That's why we're in the lab for one final test before we can see if we can actually pull it off. Hey, Josef.
Hey Niklas, welcome to our testing lab.
Thank you so much. We have the winch attached already. This is where our drill driver will be connected to, right?
That's true. Here we have our drill. We can put it in there, so then we have a force connection of our drill to the winch and power the winch with our drill.
All right, let's try it.
There's the force in kilonewtons.
How much kilonewtons do we actually need to pull the A380?
We calculated a total force of 113 kilonewtons, but in order to be really sure, we are pulling with up to 160 kilonewtons.
Okay, so if we actually see 160 kilonewtons up there in the corner, we know that our drill has enough power.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, let's do it. It's moving so quick already. 8, 9, 10, holy moly, look at this, it's actually going so fast now. 38, and now we're hitting 50 kilonewtons of force. And it seems like we have even more power left in our drill. So let's do this. 70 kilonewtons, 90 kilonewtons. We're almost at 100. Come on, let's do this. And here we go. We hit 100 kilonewtons. And we're very close to the force that we need to pull the A380 now. And that's 130 kilonewtons of force. I cannot believe it. The drill drive is 140 now, 150 now. And that's 160 kilonewtons, we did it! So actually we are able to generate enough force. Josef, I'm impressed, man. Yeah. We actually made it work, so that means all we need to do now is find an Airbus A380. So let's go search one. All right, now we tested out all the marks before trying it in real life. And we have everything we need. The counterweight, the winch, the cable, and of course, our powerful cordless drill driver from Parkside. The only thing missing is the biggest of them all, the Airbus A380. But you know what? Let's try to organize one. And I think I just know where to find it.